How to allow or any call log permission on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, S24 Plus, S24. Open the app door on your device. Tap the Settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on Security and Privacy. Again scroll down. Here you can see Permission Manager. Tap on it. It will allow or any app to access the any app feature or data on your device. Now tap on Call Logs. Call logs can helpful for app to access the permission to read and write the phone call log data on your device. Here you can see allow and not allow option. Select the app you want to change for call log. Here you select Facebook. Now by default allow, so Facebook access the call log for this app. Choose don't allow if you remove access from call log on your Facebook. To see all Facebook permission, tap on it. Now you can see list of all app permission related to Facebook, call log, contacts, notification, phone, photo, video, microphone, nearby device, etc. So quite easy to change call log permission for specific app on a Samsung S24 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.